Hello, my name is Maria Noriega and today I'm going to prepare a cookie recipe. This one is very easy because we only need 3 ingredients like this cookie mix, only 1 egg and 125 grams of butter. So let's get started. Oh, remember, after to start the recipe, we have to turn on the oven at 116 degrees or preheated. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients. So first, I'm going to open the bag and put the content in this bowl. The entire content. After that, I'm going to add the egg. And then the butter. You have to mix all the ingredients while getting the perfect consistency. When you get it, put the bowl aside and prepare the recipe where you want to put the cookies. I use this from pizza because I think it's perfect for making these cookies. Now I am going to put butter in my recipe, and this is how the cookies doesn't stick. And now I'm going to make some little balls with my hands and I put them in this recipe like this. When you have the cookies in the recipe, very carefully, you have to put them in the oven and they will be there for 10 minutes until they are ready. You can check to see if they are ready. To remove them, always use towels or gloves because everything will be very hot. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.